Says he was asleep in the main room when his late screams woke him up. He got knocked unconscious before he could get to it. Big drama. His brother's taking over the
Hershey, let's go.
Sam's brother came to this crime scene and determined that Sam was injured. He needed to get to the AU hospital.
That's your prey. That's your bird.
Apparently, he didn't hear a thing.
Hey, say hi, Grandpa.
Sam and Marilyn's life looked picture perfect.
They were thought of fondly by people in Bay Village.
They just seemed like the epitome of the happy family.
My girlfriends
You
and I
mute that?
nicknamed Sam and Marilyn the Prince and Princess of Bay Village.
Mute that. Hold on.
They were high school sweethearts, and when Marilyn went off to Skidmore, they wrote each other.
Oh, go take your bird to a place of refuge where no one's going to get your prey. Get the... No one's going to steal your bird, Hershey? Hershey also likes that cubby hole right there. That's good enough.